My name is George Richmond Terrier, and I am a training officer for my partners Training Institute. I teach fabrication. These community apprentices that have been brought, I am taking them through fabrication. And fabrication, what we do is the parting development. It's a parting development part 1. That is dealing with cylinders and then cylinder intersections. So you see the drawing on the board. That is the criterion test for figure 1. Dimensions are all in millimeters, unless noted otherwise. Please, you have to develop that figure. The figure is what? 90-degree cylindrical what? Elbow. You know, the need of this course is such that when you get to the treatment plant where the gold is processed, these gold slurry are all transferred through pipes and pipe connections. And these are the figures that we are trying to develop. You know, the slurry will be transferred from one place to another until it gets to the gold house where the gold is actually processed. And these are all true pipes. And these pipes are of different shapes. Some are cylinders, some are cones, some are transformers. And currently, these apprentices are being taken through parting development part 1 that deals with cylinders and cylinder intersections. And this morning and yesterday, we've been dealing with 90-degree cylindrical elbow. We started by developing it on a paper. We finished, we went to the workshop, we started drawing it on the floor, and then we obtained our parting. So right now, the pattern has been marked. They are center punching it or dot punching it so that the line will not be able to rub off. After the dot punching or the center punching is completed, we will then take it to the guillotine machine or the cutting machine and then cut it off. After cutting it off, we will take it back to the welding and fabrication workshop, and then the cutting disc will be put into the portable grinding machine where the actual cutting of the profile will then take place. After the cutting of the profile is taking place and then preparation is done, completely rubbed off nicely, the whole pattern, the 2 patterns, will be taken into the rolling machine. The rolling machine then will roll it round as a cylinder because it's a 90-degree cylindrical elbow. So we roll it round, weld it up, the 2 of them will be joined together and then welded so that the pattern itself, the whole figure, will be obtained. So that is the process. Now we cut our pattern with 3mm thick plate, and this morning we've been able to roll it and then welded it, joined it. So you see from here we have 6 other shapes that we have to develop. So far, parting development part 1 deals with 7 figures. We've dealt with the first one, that is the 90-degree cylindrical elbow. There are other 6 that are left. So before they finished, they will have known all these figures, how to develop them, so that when they go to the field, it will be easier for them to manufacture these intersections. Fabrication also has a part called plate and structural steelworks, and that deals with all the steelworks that we see around. These buildings, all these buildings are full of steel structures. In these buildings, we have RSJs, that is rolled steel joist, we have universal beams, we have angle irons, we have rails, all of them. That is also something that we teach, plate and structural steelworks. And that the apprentices will not go through, but further they can come and then go through this course and it will help them. So in a nutshell, this is what we do for fabrication.